Hello, Jada here and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me / unboxing with my R.E.M package that just came in this morning. I have a bit of a day ahead of me. I have a bag of clothes that I had set aside for a clothes swap that my friends usually host, but due to the Palisades fire and the Eaton fires, I am going to go through them and sort out the necessities so that I can give them to my job, who is going to sort them as well and give them to charity and to those in need, especially for the people who are affected by the fires and now are basically starting over. Before I get to that, I wanted to go through my box and just record something today. I might not upload it today, but it's gonna go up at some point. So let's just get right into it. So as I said, I'm going to be doing my makeup on camera as much as I can. And while I do that, I will be showing you some of the stuff that I got that I may or may not try out on camera. Really hoping this video is not going to be as sloppy as I'm imagining it. Oh, that's new. I've never gotten one of these before. Oh, wow, okay. This kind of lifted my spirits just now. I wonder why they did that. I think they gave me sampling. That's so sweet. Thank you. I've ordered from R.E.M maybe 2 or 3 other times and I've never gotten a little swatch of things, and of things I mean the foundation. Luckily I already have my shade. I think I'm gonna keep this for my mother because we have yet to do some shade testing for her, so thank you for this, R.E.M. I was not expecting that. So let's see what we got. Here is everything in my order. We're just gonna go through them as I do my makeup. So let me put up my hair. This is the first time that I'm gonna be using some pre-product, which is a blurring eye cream. It says full night's sleep. I don't know how well that's gonna show up. I have my camera kind of far today. I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up. This is a hydrating mist spray. I already have my inexpensive setting spray that I get, but these two products came free after hitting a certain amount that you have to spend. This is what these look like. And I'm gonna put my hair away so I can properly use this before I do my makeup today. This is my face with no makeup. I'm literally just wearing a little bit of leftover glossy balm, and I combed my eyebrows a little bit. That's all I did. And the first thing we're gonna try is the blurring. Perfect and prep the under eye area with this cooling balm that blurs imperfections and soothes with Centella asiatica, caffeine, and reishi mushroom. I don't wear concealer, so I'm just gonna be putting the foundation over this. It'll be really simple. These are mini trial travel sizes, so if you do like these products, they do sell full-size versions of this on the site. This will last too, because I'm just trying this on camera for you guys, and then I will use it when I believe absolutely necessary. I'm not sure if this is enough. I just put a little bit on my nail. This is only supposed to go in my under eye anyway. I honestly think I could have used less, so this is probably gonna last me a long time. I'm not gonna overreact to this. It's just a simple primer blur refresher, even though it says full night. I don't know, maybe this is something you can use before you go to sleep, just for some moisture before you go to sleep. Okay, just so that it's clear, cooling blurring under eye balm. So, but it already dried, so that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna go into using my foundation. These are the key areas that I put it in. Alright, I'm gonna get real close and personal. I'm wearing a hat today, so I'm only going to just put it near my eyebrows. And since I'm wearing a turtleneck, I'm not even gonna bother putting it on my neck. I should have came closer a while ago, but I was trying something new. Guys, I think I put too much. This is why I like the Sweetener foundation. It lasted me so long because you do not need a full pump. I used a full pump once and I felt crazy. Like, what was I trying to conceal so bad? My final look is going to have a hat, so there's no point in wasting product by putting it on my forehead, because I really have a pet peeve with putting a hat on or putting something over it and then I have foundation, like whether I use a setting spray or not. Honestly, putting on foundation is just really relaxing for me, so now I'm kind of just doing it because it feels nice. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray with the trial size of the R.E.M setting spray. So it says mist thing. Cute. I like the wordplay on a lot of these. Hydrating setting spray, self-explanatory. Shake well before use. I learned a tip to spray as you put your layers on. I don't put a lot, but I put after this, after my blush, and that's pretty much it. That's nice. Next I'm gonna go in with my curling iron. Next in, I'm gonna go in with my Paris Hilton eyelash curler and my probably top favorite lengthening mascara. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is hard. This is my first time doing makeup on camera with a good camera. Bear with me. Also, I don't know when I started doing this, but I only put mascara on my top lashes now. I kind of just leave my bottom lashes alone. Sorry guys, I'm only gonna be doing my right eye on camera because I can't be bothered to do both on camera. I'm also just better at doing my right side than my left. Doing my eyebrows is an intimate process because I am always winging it. I do not know what I'm doing. I'm skipping doing my eyebrows, so if it looks like I did them, I did. They're there. I have eyebrows now. And like I said, I'm going to be wearing a hat anyway, so this is just so that you guys can see. Next, I usually go in with my Hypernova blush and the blush brush, both by R.E.M. Tap, don't drag, tap, don't drag. Can anyone hear my stomach growling? Thankfully not, because I have music over this, but my stomach is so loud right now. Next, this is my first time trying the Miss Mercury highlighter topper. I used to be obsessed with highlighter growing up. Oh, I like that there's a little mirror, but I would use highlighter as a eyeshadow. I would just use the heck out of it. Let's see what it looks like on top of the blush. I guess I don't know how to, oh. I haven't used highlighter in so long. Is it doing anything? Okay. Okay, I'm with it. I'm with that. I don't know if I'm putting it on right. I am not a makeup guru, so please don't be rude and just give me tips. I might use it as an eyeshadow on another day. Okay, the highlight is highlighting. Can't say that I don't see it. I do have a lot of other shades and I like the planetary names that she put. That's something. I don't have a big opinion on it right now, but I will be using it since I paid the money for it. And to finish the look for today is the mini lip oil kit. There are the shades. see, are there any directions on this? Honestly, pretty self-explanatory. At first, use the lip oil to prep. I'm only gonna put it on the bottom. Okay. So now, as you can see, they're a little moisturized. Then we have a mini of the Glossy Bomb. The shade, where is it? Strawberry Soda. So I figured I'd get this to see if I like the shade Strawberry Soda. I really did like the Shirley that I have. At first I wasn't really a fan, but I've used so much of it already. There we go. Okay, I see some of the color now. I like it. I'm gonna try not to use the hell out of it because I've been using my Shirley shade. I'm almost done with that. That's what it's there for. You have to use it. Just use it. I think the next one I'm gonna try out is Cherry Cola. I like the name of it. It reminds me of Lana Del Rey. But also I saw someone use it recently that I really saw the color really worked for her. So I'm hoping the darker Cherry Cola type shade will look good on my complexion. Cute. I do like the little travel sizes. I forgot to spray while I was putting on the layers. It smells really good. The last product I bought but will not be using on camera is actually a replacement lash serum, because the lash serum I was originally using turned out to have an ingredient that I am very against and will not be using after this month ends. So I got R.E.M's eyebrow and lash serum. I will not be using these on my eyebrows because I never really cared about the length of my eyebrows. The instructions are a little different than the last lash serum I bought, where it was you just put one streak on each eye once a day. This one instructs that you put it twice a day. So basically during your morning routine and then during your night routine. And you don't just put them on your top lash line, you also put them on the bottom. This is a 3-month supply. It's good for 6 months, it says here. I think it might just last me about maybe 5 months, just because I won't be also using them on my eyebrows. This is strictly for my lash journey. If it works well, I might recommend it to my mom, just because she would probably want to try something that would help brow growth. So I'm gonna do another video strictly about lashes and why I stopped using the other one. It'll be more informative with the actual terminology of the ingredients that I am actively trying to avoid. So this was also $40, which isn't bad because I used a 10% coupon that took $10 off of the last lash serum, and that was still like 41 bucks. And now if you try and find it, at least through when I saw it on Ulta again, it's like $65. So for some reason, the product with the bad ingredient in it is $65, but this completely organic, clean ingredient having lash serum is only 40 bucks. So I might stick to this and I won't have to be afraid using it long term, whereas there is some long-term effects with the other lash serum, and that's why I cut it out. So that's everything. All right, so these are everything that I used today, that I got today in the mail. I will keep you updated on the lash serum in a different video. So that's pretty much the makeup look today. Finishing the rest of my look. And that's all she wrote for today. I'm not sure when this is going to be uploaded. I'm not sure when I'm going to take the time to edit and put this up, because I want to prioritize the clothing and giveaway stuff for the fires that have been happening. I'm going to put some links in the caption so that if you have it in your heart and you can help if you can, only donate if you can. I will be providing links. Thank you for watching and thank you for sticking around. Have a good one. Bye.